Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is very quick and easy tea time snack ribbon pakoda that are very tasty and can be made in no time. Follow the measurements given in the recipe to get perfect shop style ribbon pakoda. Here you can see how crispy and crunchy our ribbon pakoda is. To start with our recipe, here I have 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour and 1 cup of rice flour. Then measure half cup of fried gram and transfer this to a mixie jar. Now to the same blender or mixie jar, add 1 tablespoon of ajwain or carom seeds and half a tablespoon of chili powder and grind this into smooth powder like this. This powder should be very fine. Here you can see the texture of the powder. This is very smooth and fine. Now take a mixing bowl and add this rice flour and besan to the mixing bowl. Here we have this half cup of ground fried gram powder. Now transfer this also to the mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Now add salt as per taste, and here I am adding 2 tablespoons of hot and melted butter. You may also add hot ghee or hot oil to this in place of butter and mix it. Adding this hot butter or oil or ghee helps in getting crispy pakoda. Make sure to use a fork or spoon to mix this initially because we added hot butter and it will not burn your hand. After mixing this butter with the flour, this crumble like texture should be formed. Here you can see this. Now add water gradually and mix the dough. This gradual adding of water and mixing the dough will help in getting the correct consistency of the dough. If you add water at a time, we may not get the correct consistency. Here you can see this ball is soft and smooth. Take this plate and fix it in the murukku maker and grease the murukku maker with half teaspoon of oil or butter or ghee, anything, whatever is available. Applying oil like this helps in easy flow of dough from this murukku maker. Now take a medium ball sized dough and transfer this to murukku maker like this. This dough should not be too soft or too hard because if it is too hard, this will be very difficult to press through this murukku maker, and if it is too soft, this pakoda will puff off like puris. So it should be of right consistency. Here our murukku maker is ready. Now once the oil is heated, drop a small size of the dough and see if the oil is perfectly heated. Now press the murukku maker and allow the dough to flow into the oil like this carefully. Make sure to be very careful. Now allow this to fry on a medium heat for 1 or 2 minutes and then flip it and allow this to fry on the other side also. After 1 or 2 minutes, the color of this ribbon pakoda will be changed to golden brown in color. Here this shows this is well fried, so transfer this to a sieve and strain the excess oil and transfer to a serving plate. Here I am pressing one more to show how to make this ribbon pakoda so that it will be easy for you. So allow this to fry and then flip it and fry on the other side also. With this, our very tasty and tea time snack ribbon pakoda is ready within few minutes. So friends, try making this crispy tasty tea time snack ribbon pakoda and do comment how you liked. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.